How to backup and restore Virtualbox machines. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can backup your Virtualbox machine or VM and then restore it from the backup. To take the backup, go to File and select the Export Appliance option. Here you can select the appliance here. You can also select the multiple appliance by pressing Ctrl and then click on the appliance name, and all will be selected for export. For now, I will just export Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So I selected this, then I click the next button, and here I have to give the path. So I am going to save this into the C backups / Ubuntu 22.04 LTS OVA. The OVA is a open virtual format archive, and after this we will click the save button, then click next, and these are the details that will be exported into the OVA file. Then click the export option, and now it is exporting the disk image Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and it will take around few minutes on my machine. I am going to pause this video till the export is completed. Now the export has been completed and the OVA file is in this directory. Size of the OVA file is 4.26 GB. Now I will show you how you can restore the backup machine from this OVA file or export file. I will delete this image, remove and delete all files. So now it is deleted, and I will go to File and then select the Import Appliance. And here I have to select the OVA file. Open. So this is the appliance detail that we are importing, and now after clicking OK, it is importing the data. Now after clicking OK, it is importing the virtual disk image. So it's going to take around 2 minutes. I will pause the video and come back once the import is completed. Now the import is completed and you can see the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Virtualbox image is installed. So I can click on start and it should start. Ubuntu 22.04 operating system is starting, and you can see this is the newly designed startup window for Win. This is the newly designed startup window for Ubuntu 22.04. Enter the password for the user. I can increase the screen resolution. So this way you can export the VirtualBox virtual machine and then import into the Oracle VirtualBox. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.